Inflation. It's something most of us hear about but don't always understand fully, especially when it starts eroding what we've worked our whole lives to build, our retirement savings. Imagine you're Bob and Betty Green from Florida. They spent 30 years building a comfortable nest egg. Bob was a school teacher, Betty a nurse. They had dreams, traveling, spoiling their grandkids, enjoying their retirement. But lately, everything's getting more expensive. Their grocery bill is up, utilities are soaring, and the same vacation they planned is now out of reach. Even worse, their fixed income doesn't stretch like it used to. Inflation is silently affecting millions of retirees just like Bob and Betty, and they're realizing it's not just about rising prices, it's about the long-term effect on their financial security. The 4% they used to count on from their investments isn't covering the same costs anymore. In fact, inflation's rising by 6 to 7% annually, while interest rates on savings are barely above 1%. That means they're losing purchasing power year after year, without any major changes in their income. This is the harsh reality for many American retirees. So, what can you do about it? You're probably wondering, what does this have to do with gold IRAs? Well, here's the thing. Gold has been a hedge against inflation for centuries. While paper currencies lose value, gold tends to hold or even increase its value, making it an ideal way to protect what you've worked hard for. Let's go back to Bob and Betty. They knew they needed to act, and after seeing a free gold IRA guide offered for American retirees, they decided to take action. With $500,000 in their 401k, they rolled over a portion into a gold IRA. It wasn't just about protecting their money, it was about securing their future and peace of mind. They didn't have to worry about inflation eating away at their savings anymore. You might be asking, how does a gold IRA work, and is it right for me? It's actually a simple process. By converting part of your retirement savings into gold, you're moving away from the volatility of the stock market and tying your wealth to a more stable asset. Gold doesn't fluctuate like stocks do, especially during economic uncertainty, which means you're protecting yourself from inflation's toll. Now, you've worked hard your entire life. You've put in the time, the effort, and now you deserve to enjoy your retirement without constantly stressing about rising prices. That's why it's so important to learn how a gold IRA could help safeguard your retirement. And don't worry, you're not alone in this. We offer a free guide and a no-obligation educational call to walk you through exactly what a gold IRA is, how it works, and if it's right for you. No high-pressure sales tactics, no gimmicks, just a one-on-one conversation to help you make an informed decision. Remember, your retirement deserves to be secure, and you've earned the right to enjoy it without the fear of inflation eroding your savings. Take control of your financial future today. Click the link in the description to get your free Gold IRA guide and schedule your free consultation with one of our experts. It's time to protect the retirement you've worked so hard for and leave a legacy for your loved ones.